Did you know that your brain has an alarm system? Let's talk about this system and PTSD. In our brains, we have a natural alarm system, which is the amygdala. It activates when we perceive a threat. But with post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, this alarm can become overactive, reacting to everyday things due to past trauma. Normally, we have a brake to control this alarm, which is the prefrontal cortex. It helps us reason and assess threats. For example, when you watch a scary movie and get jump scared, your amygdala sends a distress signal. Your prefrontal cortex steps in and says, "It's just a movie, no real danger," and turns off the alarm. But with PTSD, this brake system doesn't work properly. The amygdala takes over, flooding your body with cortisol and adrenaline, which are your stress hormones, putting you in survival mode, even when there's no real threat. PTSD also impacts the hippocampus, which processes memories. After trauma, your hippocampus tries to remember the event accurately, but can't fully capture everything due to trauma being overwhelming. This can lead to gaps in memory or sudden unwanted feelings and flashbacks, which is just your brain trying to make sense of what happened. Over time, PTSD can shrink the hippocampus, increasing risk of memory problems, cognitive decline, and dementia. PTSD can also keep the amygdala overactive, exhausting your brain and body from constant stress. Not everyone who experiences trauma develops PTSD, but common symptoms include flashbacks, intrusive memories, nightmares, avoidance of triggers which can lead to isolation, hypervigilance, always being on edge, mood swings, and memory issues. If you or a loved one is experiencing PTSD symptoms, it may be beneficial to reach out for help from peer support groups, community groups, or mental health professionals.